Yes, I'd say so. So, our very accomplished judges here are Mrs. Pratibha Damle. Please clap for each other. Please stand up. Mr. and Mrs. Gill, Kuldeep Gill and Moni Gill. And Paul Wilson. So I'm going to read a little bit about each one of them so you know who they are. Pratibha Damle is originally from Mumbai, India. She has been singing for the past several years and sings both Hindustani classical as well as light music. She has sung professionally both in Hindi and Marathi and also has a few songs in professional Marathi albums. Pratibha learned music since the age of 8 from several different gurus. She learned Hindustani classical music from Srimati Archana Kanhare and Dr. Mangala Apte for several years. Throughout college days, Pratibha won several music competitions in India. In 2013, she was one of the 6 finalists in the Brihan Maharashtra Mandal's Saregama competition in Providence, Rhode Island, and had the opportunity to perform in front of about 4,000 people. Aside from her love for music, Pratibha is an actuary, which is short for saying Fellow of Society of Actuaries, and works as a pricing actuary in Genworth Financial. She lives in Richmond's West End with her husband and 2 young boys. Welcome, Pratibha Damle. Next is our very renowned couple that is famous in the television industry up in DC. They are here all the way from Washington, DC to judge this competition. Big round of applause for Moni and Kuldeep Gill. Kuldeep Gill is born to a musical family. His dad, Ajmer Singh Gill, played violin for Bombay film industry as an A-class musician since 1964. He was student of Pandit Hussain Lal Ji, music director Pandit Hussain Lal Bhagat Ram Ji, and he also gave music in Punjabi movies. Kuldeep learned tabla from Ustad Allah Rakha Khan Sahab from the age of 16 years and also took lessons from Ustad Zakir Hussain. He used to practice with Ustad Tan Mohan Khan Sahib in Bombay and Ustad Ghulam Hussain Khan and his sons Mushtaq Hussain and Ijaz Hussain, sitar player of Indore Gharana. Kuldeep also used to do music programs in Bombay for organizations. At the age of 18, he accompanied Pakistani artist Ustad Salamat Ali Khan and his sons of Sham Chorasi Gharana, Jalandhar. He had a chance to play tabla with Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, a renowned santoor player in USA. He also took some lessons from Ustad Tariq Khan Sahab. He is fortunate enough to listen to Pandit Ravi Shankar Ji, Pandit Hari Ji, Pandit Jasraj Ji in Bombay concerts since childhood and learned a lot by just listening. He has accompanied many local and international music groups when they visited USA. Professionally, he is a real estate broker and a certified appraiser. Welcome, Kuldeep Gill. Moni Gill. दोनों एक ही इंडस्ट्री में कैसे करते हो? Moni Gill, born in a musical family. Her father, Bhai Bhupinder Singh Paras, belonged to very famous music gharana and classical trained. He learned music from Ghulam Ali Ji and Mehdi Hasan Ji and many other gurus. He was Moni's first guru, and then in school age, she learned at the age of 6 from Miss Sangeeta Ji. She kept learning from different gurus from different gharanas, Ghulam Ali Ji and Ustad Tariq Khan Sahab. Moni Gill is a veteran to all aspects of the dance industry, and from a very young age, she found a passion in competitive music and dance world. She is the founder and event coordinator for the Punjabi female event, Mela Thia Teach. Moni is results driven and thrives off of a creative, fast-paced work environment. She is the first to bring Miss and Mrs. Thia Punjaban pageant to Virginia. She is the founder of the Punjabi Women Culture Association, in which they spread Punjabi culture. She is constantly encouraging others, and her organization helps women in need. In conclusion, Moni Gill has been very instrumental in promoting and supporting every type of melas or a music show. Now, both of them are working with TV, my World Web TV channel, and she will be bringing today's winner on TV to provide platform to singers to look forward to working with the Indian American community. Musically, their kids are enrolled in school choir groups. Both husband and wife run a Punjabi radio show for Intense DMV Radio, and they both have now started their own TV channel, My World Web TV, in short, My TV. Thank you, Mr.